rally launch day. It's time for a gas station coffee. 5:30 a.m. Spilled coffee on my pants. Coffee's been cleaned up. We're 0.7 miles from launch. We'll catch you there. Getting an early start here, ladies and gents. Beautiful sunrise here. After a quick stop to regroup, get some gas, we are heading to lunch. 60 miles till the next destination. Let's get after it, shall we?
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
We got kind of split up because of some map issues, but we found a gem in Lexington, like rural Lexington, Kentucky. These houses are absurd. And these roads are insane as well. A little bit of a detour, but definitely worth it. I think we're only about 15 minutes behind from the fast group. It's literally like we're playing Forza right now. Like these roads.
Yeah, it's just like some of the most perfect roads I've ever seen.
Jeez.
No
Cows! What's up, cows?
no speed limit signs, passing zones everywhere.
Our next stop is in Kentucky. We are absolutely zooming through Ohio.
We're in Kentucky now.
What?
We're in Kentucky. You cross the bridge and you're out of Ohio. So
We
are now in Kentucky.
We just zoomed through Ohio. We are now in Kentucky. Kentucky is kind of a sneaky fat one. We have about 6 hours of driving left on the day. Until our final destination, and then we will chill out. Not really. Gonna be a long one. Finally catching some energy after lunch. It's about 1 p.m. right now. We left at 7. Getting all the cars kind of back together. There's a few of us out front. Leaving the city is always kind of tough. So gonna gather back here soon and get on down to our next stop, which is somewhere in Kentucky. Oh no. Rest in pepperoni. I told you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's good. just like that, we've made it to the rooftop.
Just like the street lights.
Good gravy. Oh, how'd this sticker get here?
Vandals.
Oh my goodness, they multiplied.
Jesus.
Start of day 2, we are on the road and little traffic, but these roads are fun. So I think we are, let's see, half hour out from one stop. And then we're doing a really cool loop. Lots of cool driving footage today. We're gonna drive safe, stay hydrated, and have fun. Y'all do the same. The Sparkos.
Oh my god, this is sick.
Yeah, I think it's wide.
Dude, this is like
This
immaculate.
is sick. He's got all the gauges down here too. Look at that. Look at his gauge mod.
Holy. Behind the 600 LT.
Kev G.
Behind the wheel.
We're driving today. See if we still know how. Forget that there's speed limits on these roads.
Yeah,
like,
45.
no part of me was like, oh man, I wonder if there's gonna be a copper out
Yeah.
here. I'm just like, this is what it's for.
Yeah.
Yeah, except no guardrails or safety. This Kia is leading the pack, and it's going. It's going like 30. This is awesome.
It's not awesome.
This is hilarious.
It's
Look at this
unfortunate.
thing. There's a
He's
line
had
of 30
so
supercars.
many opportunities to pull off.
Oh my god. The SSRs are out.
Oh my god, the hood.
That's crazy. That one's got flames on it.
Oh my god.
They're like tailgating. What in the heck is in these things?
I don't know.
Why do people like these? Look at the trailer. They're so impractical.
There's a purple.
They're trucks. Oh wait, they dropped up. What? Oh my goodness, that was so worth it. This route is so sick. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. No way.
They're not moving.
They're going 5.
Black motorcycle. That was in front of us.
He was driving one hand and also he
He's
just goes,
gone.
huh?
I'm not
starts laying
talking
knee.
like
We turn the
dropping
corner.
knee.
We followed him for 30 seconds. He was probably doing 150.
Oh my god.
Is the fastest thing I've
I've
ever
never
seen.
seen anything
Wait.
move that fast in my life.
Yeah, it wasn't like a Harley. It was like
Oh, it was a sport bike.
yeah,
Sport,
yeah. We did see that one.
Oh my
But
god.
then he was here and gone.
Time for the tail, ladies and gents. Just had lunch. It was awesome. A little bit of rain, which is unfortunate, but it's kind of like the calm before the storm right now. Quick rip to the tail and about to start. You did it. Cheers.
That was insane.
Dude, what crazy roads. Truck there.
Back car takes off.
Yeah. The Call of Duty Jeep! Modern Warfare 3 edition. One of my favorite Call of Duties of all time.